All right, how you guys doing today? So let's do some knowledge, something knowledgeable, right? Let's look at how you can start making money online with affiliate marketing, okay? Now, the question is very simple. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business system. I always say that. It's business, right? It's a business system where you promote other companies' products. And whenever you make a sale, you are paid commission, all right? Most times, you are not the one making the sale. I've always said that you are not the one calling up people, convincing them to buy. It doesn't work so well. There's a lot of rejections when you do that. So what you are really doing is that you are just promoting your link. That's what you're doing, okay? And then the company have their own websites, videos, and things to convert that customer to sale. Okay. Now, why am I so much in love with affiliate marketing? There are many other ways you could make money online, and we have seen them. We have checked them out. You could just go on what do they call it right now? eBay, right? And then take your old shoes or your old clothes and then just advertise it on eBay and try and get somebody to buy it. That's still making money online. Or another way is to go on what they call it right now, Facebook Marketplace, and do the same thing, right? And Facebook Marketplace is very popular for helping you to sell your old cars, your old shoes. So you know that you could actually go there, put up your product, and that is what is promotion, right? A lot of people keep telling me they don't know how to promote, and mostly they know how to sell their product on they know how to sell their used things on Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay, or one of these places that you could buy used things. And if you just put a picture of whatever you want to sell, that's promotion, right? I think it's just when the way people think about things, I think that's why it makes them think, oh, I don't know how to promote, but you sell your used things, right? Maybe you have a lot of shoes that you're no more wearing. You just take the pictures of the shoes, put them on Facebook Marketplace, or you put them on eBay or something, and then somebody calls you up or sends you a message and you give them the shoe, they give you some money. That is promotion. That's promotion. So that's one way you could make money online, right? Another way you could do that is to put up the product on Amazon. It's called Amazon FBA. That's another way some people do it. All right. And there are many ways. I don't want to keep going over it so that it doesn't get too long, right? Now, for me, the best way I like is affiliate marketing, okay? Because with affiliate marketing, I don't even have to have a product in my house. I don't have to have used shoes. I don't have to have, you know what I mean. I don't have to have clothes I want to sell or old cars or something, right? All I needed to do is just go on the platform or register with a company and just promote their products, right? And it's the same thing, like I told you. You just take pictures of the product and just put it out on Facebook Marketplace or your Facebook account or anywhere that you think you can reach out to more people. And once people see the images and they like it, you know, they are going to make inquiry, right? So it's so easy the way it works. Now, why is affiliate marketing the best as far as I'm concerned? You don't have to produce anything, right? No product production, no inventories. You don't have to buy things, right? You don't need to have any inventory in your house. You don't have to deal with billing or refund. That not dealing with billing and refund, I love a lot. I'm somebody that doesn't like telling somebody to give me money, right? So if I find a way of not dealing with billing, not dealing with refunds, I love it. I love it so much, right? So we also have with affiliate marketing, you don't deal with customer care, right? That's not your job. You don't deal with customer care. You don't attend. Somebody say he has problem with his website, and so that's not your job. He just need to contact the company support, and they deal with that. So you can see why I really love affiliate marketing. Okay, now that's good. Now, what about shipping, right? If you are not going to send out anything, so you don't have to do any shipping. And that is where it's so beautiful with affiliate marketing. So all you do, you just register with the company and promote their product. That's all. Now let's talk about the product, okay? Now when it comes to making money online, you want to make sure you are promoting the product that is going to make you profitable. Because look, whether you like it or not, you are spending your time and energy. It may just be 30 minutes, like the way I only spend 30 minutes or 1 hour in a day. It may just be that, right? You may just have only spent 30 minutes or 1 hour in a day, but it's still time, right? And you want to be paid well for your time. That's what I'm talking about. You want to be paid well for that time, right? Now, for you to be paid well, you must promote products that are in very high demand, high quality products that are in high demand. A lot of people just promote any kind of products out there as long as they can promote something, and eventually people are not liking the product, so people are not buying the product, you know. So what you want to do, you want to promote products that are in high demand, products that are high quality, okay? Very, very important. Okay? Now, another thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you earn very, very high commission. This, when I talk of high commission, I mean very high commissions. Maybe you get commission of 80%. In fact, let's say from 50% to 100% in commission. This is always good. You see, a lot of people are promoting products. Like if you go and promote, what do they call it right now? You just go online and then you go on Amazon and you start promoting Amazon products. What you notice is that Amazon is just going to pay you like 2%, 3%, 5%. Those, you know, you could make a lot of sales, right? But you are not going to make a lot of money. And that matters a lot. You know, I had to learn it the hard way. And when I understand how it works, so I changed the way I do things, right? So you want to, you really want to make sure you are paid well. And I'm not kidding you, right? Now, so commission should be minimum of 50% to 100% commissions, right? You want to literally take everything for yourself. Of course, if you can take everything for yourself, that is good. But let me tell you, you don't take everything for yourself. Most of the companies out there, they're going to have administrative fees, maybe 5% or 10%. So they'd still take a good chunk for themselves. But that's it, right? You want to make sure you are earning 50% to 100% for your effort. Even if you think your effort is not much, to me, as long as you are promoting another company's product, you should be paid well, okay? And then make sure whatever you are promoting is already working. You don't want to be an experimental. You get the product and it's all experimental. You are only the one that knows about the product. So if you are promoting an experimental product, that means you have to train everybody that is interested, and that is hard work. I know what I mean with that. Don't do any hard work when it comes to making money online. All right. So another thing is digital products. You must make sure they are digital products. So you don't want to promote a physical product at all. Like Amazon is physical product. And that's one of the reasons why you don't earn a lot of money, because they have to manufacture those products every time, right? And then they have to ship those products. So all those costs are added to what into the product, and then that's why you are not earning a lot of commissions, right? Because if the owner is going to make a little profit, then he's not going to pay you a lot, right? So what you want to do is to promote only digital products, right? Because with digital product, most of the time they are produced once. Okay, they just replicate it online, and then so they can afford to pay you 50%, 80%, 100%. So make sure you are promoting digital product. And again, the cost with digital product, the costs are very high, So the costs are very high, so you could earn high ticket commissions promoting digital products, right? It's powerful, really, really powerful. All right, so that is the product for you. Now, how do you succeed with affiliate marketing? Whatever product you are promoting, you don't want to work hard. That's what I'm telling you. So what you want to do is you want to make sure it's a product that has everything set up already. 90% they are done for you, right? You want to just focus on sharing your link and driving those customers to the product. You don't want to be involved with setting up websites, following up, and all those things. They cost you more money, they cost you more time. So you want a company that is already having a completely done for you system where they themselves will do the follow up and closing of sales, right? It's very important. I never realized that, but once I get that, it became easy. And if you check, you see I make a lot of sales, and it's because I only focus on just promoting, and I let the companies do the follow-ups, right? It's their products, right? I can never promote their product better than them. So they are the ones who understand their product, who understand how it works. So they are the ones that should do the follow-ups, right? Not you. Not you at all. You should just focus on sharing your link and making money. Yeah, that's all. So let them do the follow-up, the email marketing, all those things. Let it be their job, right? All right. So that's just what I mean, okay? Now, and then that will help you to be able to have a product where you don't have to continue to sell and sell and sell. You don't want to be selling, right? You just want to do simple things just like I do, right? Make posts on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, just simple things like that, and you go and sleep, and then you just wait for the money to come in, okay? Now, how do you get the customers or visitors to the company's product, right? So it's called traffic, right? Traffic is getting online visitors to your website, and your website is actually your link that you are promoting. So that's your website. So most of the time for me, all I do is copy and paste free ads on social media. That's what I do, right? Just copy, because it makes it easy for me. I just copy, paste, and that I walk away. So most of the time I do that on Facebook every day. I may make like 3 or 4 posts on Facebook. And so I just copy and copy an image, paste on Facebook and post it there, and then put my link. That's all. So people like the image, it creates curiosity, and then they want to check it out. They click the link, and you get where I'm going, right? So that's one of the ways I drive a lot of traffic and get a lot of visitors and customers to the company's product, all right? And whenever they buy, naturally I make money. Even though I may be traveling, even though I'm on holiday, I still make money, right? Because everything is automated. It's powerful. So you want to generate free traffic with copy and paste method. It's always the best. It's simple, right? And that's wonderful. So now you'll be asking, Victor, what company product should I promote? Now, the best company right now online is E1ULife right now. Okay. Now, E1ULife is a software company. Okay. So they are into AI automation services. They build websites, generally into digital software, right? So companies like that are the best to promote their product. One, you are able to earn very high commissions. And two, their product is in the cutting edge of technology. That means it's the latest things out there right now. So you want to promote a company like that, okay? And for you to be able to promote E1ULife and earn those 100% commissions, you have to register as an affiliate. And you will think it's going to cost you a lot of money to register. No, it just costs you $25 only. One-time payment. No monthly fees. Just $25, and you can register as their affiliate, and then you'll be able to promote their AI technology to the world, which is powerful, okay? And look, they pay by Bitcoin. So you get your commissions instantly, right? Because they pay you by Bitcoin. Okay. So you register with Bitcoin and you get paid with Bitcoin. Okay. So if you have Cash App, you have Venmo, you have I think mostly Cash App, right? Cash App has the Bitcoin thing with it. And then you have Binance, or what is the other one name? Coinbase, right? So if you are registered with Coinbase, Binance, or even Cash App, you have access to receive Bitcoin and to also send out Bitcoin, right? So once you have that opportunity like that, once you are able to receive and send Bitcoin, that is great then. So you'll be able to register as an affiliate of E1ULife, and then you will be able to promote their products. All right. So if you want to check out E1ULife, look at their automation and all the wonderful product that they have, just go straight to my link in the description. Okay. I'm also going to leave another link below. Just go ahead, check them out. If you have questions, any questions about it, you can always get back to me. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.